my channel. I'm Rose, and this is another plus size but still cute clothing haul. I will not be saying what brand this is from because I didn't find out until after I had already ordered all my stuff. It's a horrible brand. I'm still doing this haul though because I want to show off how freaking cute these are despite them being like plus size, whatever. And if I'm able to find them, I will link these clothing or like alternatives from good and better brands. Possibly Torrid, because I'm in love with Torrid. So this is the first thing I got. It's super cute. I actually found out a little while ago that I might have been wearing it wrong, and then I realized, oh no, this is right. It's supposed to be like cropped, so it covers this, and then longer in the back. But as you see, you can switch them. You want something a little bit more modest and open back, turn it around, or if you want something where it's just like a little cover up for up here. And yeah, I think it's super cute. I actually wore it to my critique today and I think it's just adorable. And I love the little like puffy sleeves. I didn't even realize they were puffy sleeves until earlier today, but I think they're so cute, which is weird because I usually hate puffy sleeves. So anyways, the next thing I got, this is very outside of my comfort zone for style, but I thought it was super cute and I wanted to try it. Actually everything is outside of my style, but I decided to try it all anyways. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea if this is a skirt or a top. I think it's a top, but it also might be a skirt. I have no idea. It just says curve on the tag, so I have no idea if it's a top or a bottom, but it could possibly be either one. The way this is supposed to work is it's supposed to be able to tie up here and have cute little bows right there. And I was right, it is like a skirt top sort of combo thingy. The thing is, this is a two-person job because I cannot tie this while I'm wearing it, but I also can't tie it while I'm not wearing it in case I don't tie it to the right place. So this is a two-person job and I highly recommend, if you get it or anything like it, to make sure you have roommates or a sister or a brother or a significant other, just literally anyone near you who can tie it for you. Because that was like a half-ass job. Like that doesn't look good at all. So yeah, or bring it way up and have it be a top. You can wear it with this, or you can wear it without. You can also do a around the neck sort of thing. If you want to do the crisscross, I think the crisscross works better like this. You can have that sort of thing. If you're really careful around your neck, you can have like a choker sort of thing. Or something like that. Just, you know, be careful with your neck because you don't want to, do that. I kind of like this. You can just tuck it in and then do something similar think it's kind of cute. It's extremely short if you wear it like this, so make sure something underneath, or you're shorter than I am. I'm 5'5", and that is this. Kind of a fail. I'll try it again when I have somebody who can tie the straps for me. No, there we go. Okay. So yeah, this was super cute. As you saw in my intro, and you will see in my outro, I have a very like coffee house vibe going right now. It's kind of my like theme of 2022. So I kind of wanted like the coffee house school chic sort of vibe. Then I got this as well. It's actually surprisingly like nice material on the outside, but then kind of rougher on the inside. I'm hoping, depending on what shirt I wear with it, it'll be fine. Okay, so this was kind of a fail. I got a size too big. So I'm pretty sure these are kind of supposed to be a little bit higher up here and like here, like tight around here so that it, you know, fits around. That's not happening right now. So I'm thinking, I also, it's a little loose, so I need to bring it in back here, and then I'm gonna have to bring these both up more, like down more, and then it should look like this. It's still a little big on the sides here, but it does cover everything, so at least there's that. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to bring this with me home when I go home for reading week and see if I can get out my sewing supplies and fix this. Otherwise, pretty cute. Might try it with like just this, kind of showing a little more than I'm comfortable with. But I'm thinking if I can bring them in like this, and then again, cinch it. I guess I would just have to pull everything this way, and then cinch this up. And I think that's kind of cute for like a summer thing, right? Probably have to wear a crop top for this area. So just an excuse to go get a strapless crop top. Yeah. So there's that, super cute. This one was a disappointment. I was actually so freaking upset because I have 2 others of this like type of top from the same place. And they're so comfy and I wear them all the time. But then I got this one and they changed the material. So it's no longer the like soft comfy stuff, it's plastic. Like it feels like freaking plastic. It's still cute. I'll probably still wear it, but it was just a real disappointment. So yeah. Then, anyone who knows me knows that I need comfy clothing. So, I got 2 sets of loungewear, and I'm so happy because like I don't normally wear tops like this, but again, I'm going for a different like vibe, different whatever. And I just think it's so cute. So this is like a pajama top. It's button up. I could wear it in like public if I wanted to as well. And then it comes with these shorts. I don't know where the front and the back is, but it comes with these shorts as well. And the material is, like, again, surprisingly really soft. It's a little bit on the rough side too. It's a little bit see-through. But again, considering the price and the store itself, it's pretty decent quality. Next thing is, of course, another lounge set. I just got a cute little crop top. I got another lounge set like a year ago or so, and it's this really cute, like, oh, I'm gonna have to Google the word. It's like a striped material, stretchy, and it's just a crop top and then like bottoms that are the same material, and they're just the comfiest things ever. They're also a little bit like overworn, so I got some gray ones. Not a huge fan of the pants, the bottoms. I prefer like tighter pants when I wear pants. Okay, so these are really big. I'm assuming this is meant for a bigger stomach. Like maybe I accidentally got maternity loungewear. But because of all that extra space, if I have it down to where I normally have my pants, it's on the floor. So here we go. But again, it's just for loungewear, so I think it will be really cute just to chill here, or if I hang out with friends and just want to lounge. I don't know. Apparently I need to go get new bras though, because all my bras have like thicker straps, which means I can't wear proper spaghetti strap stuff, and a bunch of what I got is like spaghetti straps. Okay, so this is the last things that I got. These are actually pieces to create an outfit that I saw. The outfit itself was super cute, but way more expensive than what I want to spend at this store. So instead, I found some really cheap on clearance items that would like create this outfit and make it so I can like use these pieces for other outfits as well. So first thing I got was just this white, I don't even know what it's called. I just say it's a business shirt. It's professional looking, whatever. So I got this, just a plain white button up long sleeve top. And the style is one of these with a like cinched crop top that kind of like makes it into a shape. So to create that, again, in just the clearance, and this isn't something I've ever worn before, it's just a style that I'm experimenting with. So clearance aisle, and I just found the cheapest ones I could find in my size. The first one I got, which I'm kind of questioning now, although I guess it's going over that, so it's fine, is this cute little crop top. I I think it was like $4 or something. It's super see-through. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be worn over a bathing suit or something, or like a strapless bra, or maybe just those like cup thingies that just cover and nothing else. So I got this. Not it. I like the top. I like this. I like the idea of it all. I just don't like the idea with this top. It's just not working for me. And then for the more classic look, I also got, and I'm super excited about this, although it's kind of like bathing suit material. It's this one. I love the style of it and like the little lace. Like how freaking cute. Oh my god. So yeah, next time I'm at a thrift store, I'm 100% gonna be looking for more things like this in my style, just so I can wear it with all of that. And so that is my haul. I'm really excited to do some lookbooks in the future with these outfits, kind of mix and match. Maybe I'll do that cute black crop with this over top or something like that. And that was my plus size coffee house school chic vibe haul. Hope you enjoyed, and subscribe, like, let me know what your favorite outfit was, and if you have any recommendations for where I can get similar clothing that isn't from that store, please let me know down in the comments. Bye!